Tomato sandwiches are a simple yet delightful meal that can be prepared quickly. Here is a simple recipe to create a delicious tomato sandwich that bursts with flavor and requires only a few basic ingredients. This classic sandwich is perfect for a light lunch or a summer snack. Ingredients: 2 slices of fresh bread, white, whole wheat, or your bread of choice. 1 to 2 ripe tomatoes, depending on size. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves, optional. A drizzle of olive oil, optional. Instructions. 1. Begin by toasting the slices of bread until they are golden brown and crispy. This adds a nice crunch to the sandwich and helps prevent the bread from getting soggy. 2. While the bread is toasting, wash the tomatoes thoroughly and slice them into thick, even slices. This ensures you get a juicy bite in every mouthful. 3. Once the bread is toasted, spread a generous layer of mayonnaise on one side of each slice. Mayonnaise not only adds creaminess, but also helps to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. 4. Arrange the tomato slices evenly on one slice of the bread. Season the tomatoes with a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. These simple seasonings highlight the natural sweetness and tang of the tomatoes. 5. If you desire extra flavor, add a few fresh basil leaves on top of the tomatoes. Basil complements the taste of tomatoes beautifully. You can also add a slight drizzle of olive oil for enhanced richness. 6. Place the second slice of bread, mayonnaise side down, on top of the tomatoes, pressing gently to secure the sandwich. 7. Slice the sandwich in half if you prefer, making it easier to handle and consume. Serve immediately and enjoy your fresh, flavorful tomato sandwich. Remember, the quality of the ingredients plays a significant role in the taste of a tomato sandwich. Opt for the freshest tomatoes and a good quality bread for the best results. Feel free to customize the sandwich with other toppings or spreads to suit your taste preferences.